Hi, today we're in a pinyon pine tree up in the Virginia City Highlands, safely removing a storm-damaged limb. We've already got the smaller limbs chopped off. Now we're going to secure the main large limb with our rigging rope, like so. I'm going to take my steel carabiner since I have a double fisherman on here. Typically I prefer a running bowline, but this will suffice. Go ahead and pull some of the slack out of this rigging rope. So with our groundsman taking some of the load off the failing crotch, we will start dissecting, taking weight off here, piece by piece.